If you're wondering how much it costs to replace a hot water tank, the answer is it depends on your setup, things like the size of the tank, fuel type, and how complex the install is. At Pioneer, we charge time and materials for standard replacements, which allows us to give you a fair, customized quote based on your home's needs. That said, a lot of customers are choosing our Advantage program instead. With this option, there's no upfront cost. You pay as little as $18 a month, and you get free repairs for life. You also have the option to buy out the tank at a discounted rate. For example, a 40-gallon gas tank starts at $1,707. It's flexible, affordable, and backed by Pioneer's trusted service. We've been serving Greater Vancouver since 1976 with licensed, insured technicians and a reputation for doing the job right. If your tank's getting old or giving you problems, we'll help you find the right solution. Call us at 604-872-4946 or book online at pioneerplumbing.com, and we'll take care of the rest.